Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to prepare kashaya. Kashaya is an Ayurvedic beverage that keeps your body warm and healthy, especially during winter. It is an excellent hot drink to soothe cold and flu. Kashaya is an ancient form of medicine that has been used as a remedy for cold, cough, sore throat, indigestion and generally to boost immunity. Every ingredient used in this recipe has a health benefit. Peppercorns relieves from extreme sore throat and clogged nose. Dried ginger helps to get rid of indigestion and boost immunity. Yes, this recipe is totally adaptable. You can vary the quantity of 1 or 2 ingredients based on your requirement. So in this video I have shown my way of making kashaya powder. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a kadai, I am adding in 1 cup of coriander seeds. Lightly roast coriander seeds. These coriander seeds lightly change in color and gives out nice aroma when roasted. Next I am adding in 1/4 cup of cumin seeds. Dry roast them. Next I am adding in 1 spoon of fennel seeds. All the 3 seeds needs to be dry roasted and they change slightly in color and gives out nice aroma when roasted. Switch off right then. Next roast black peppercorns, around 6 cloves, 3 cardamoms, 1/4 nutmeg, 1 inch of cinnamon, 1/4 spoon fenugreek seeds. Roast till they are warm. Make sure none of the spices are burnt. Lightly roast them. Once all of the ingredients are lightly roasted, transfer them to a plate. Now into the roasted ingredients add dried ginger, 1 spoon of turmeric powder. Transfer everything to a mixer jar. Powder them together. Transfer the powder to a plate. Let it cool. You can see that all the ingredients are nicely powdered. Once cool, transfer into an airtight container. This powder can be stored for about 1 or 2 months. Now let's quickly make a cup of kashaya with this kashaya powder. In a pan I am adding in about 1 cup of water. Bring water to boil. Adding 1 spoon of kashaya powder. And I'm also adding in 1.5 tablespoon of jaggery. You can increase or decrease jaggery powder to suit your taste. Let it boil for a couple of minutes, then strain it out to a container. I usually don't add milk to the kashaya as it may curdle sometimes. Into a cup I have taken about ½ cup of hot milk and I am transferring in kashaya and give it all a nice mix. Enjoy mildly spiced kashaya while it's still hot. Guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. For more healthy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.